It is our pleasure to welcome you to Kansas City, where the local time is 10:21 a.m. We have experienced a 1-hour time change. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is parked at the gate. The captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins to avoid injury from items that may have shifted during flight. Feel free to use your mobile devices at this time. Before you leave the aircraft, take a quick look around your seat. Make sure you have everything you brought on board. We invite you to download and use the Fly Delta app for all your future travel needs, including checking in for a flight, managing your SkyMiles account. On behalf of Delta, we want to thank you again for sharing your journey with us. We've enjoyed having each of you on board, and we hope to see you again on a future Delta flight. Have a very pleasant stay in the Kansas City area or wherever your final destination brings you.